Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be about contouring and highlighting. Why is contouring and highlighting important? As you can see now, I have applied all the makeup on my face. I have applied foundation, concealer, I have done my eyeliner, my eyebrows and a little bit of lipstick, but still if you can see, the face is looking a little bit of flat. So if you want to give a definition to your face, your features, the contouring and highlighting plays a very important role. So that's the reason I am going to show you today how to do the contouring and highlighting. The products that I am going to use today is NY Bae. This is the stick contour which I am going to use in the shade Toast 07. I will mention the purchase link in the description box. Okay, this I have ordered it from purple.com. And for highlighting, I am going to use the Maybelline New York Master Chrome by Face Studio Metallic Highlighter Illuminator Metallic. Okay, so this is the product. Okay, so first what you need to do is you need to contour your face. I am going to contour my cheekbones first. We'll be blending this out with a brush. While contouring, always you have to take care that the blending has to be done this way and not this way. You have to push the product upwards into your cheeks. After the cheeks, I'm going to use the same product on my jawline. A little bit of product over here, both the sides. And also I'm going to draw two lines here to define my nose. Going to blend this with a brush. While blending the jawline, you have to blend it inwards towards your neck. And on your forehead, again you have to blend it inwards towards your hair. It's a little darker shade actually, the Toast 07. If you want, you can also go one shade lighter than this. If you don't want so much of contouring on your face and just a little bit of contouring, you can choose to go for a lighter shade. I have blended the product properly in my face. Now as you can see, I have given a definition to my features, nose, cheekbones and my jawline. So this is the contouring part. Now I'll be using this highlighter palette. I'm using this highlighter brush, taking a little bit of the highlighter and highlighting over here. You can highlight the high points of your face. I'm highlighting also the bridge of my nose. And a little bit on my forehead. You can also highlight it on the cupid bow. Okay, with this I have completed this highlighting and contouring. So now you can see this finished look. If you want to purchase these products, I will mention the link in the description box. So that's about it, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.